Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Colin's Club and Craig. As always, Colin is live streaming Tarkov right now to his Twitch channel. Links are in the description, so go check him out. Now, what project are we getting into today on my old Jeep? Well, we're gonna do tinting, window tinting. Yes, DIY. And I'm gonna tell you something, it's cheap enough to try it on your own, but it can be a little frustrating and aggravating. Now, let me show you. Here's the passenger side without any tint. Now let's go around and see the driver's side, which I did. Yep, we give it a, well, 2 thumbs up, but I'm holding the camera with the other hand. Now, when you do this job, I'm gonna tell you all right now, this is a must. This window tinting kit on Amazon, it's $13. It is worth every dollar. And why I say that is, you may think all you need is one squeegee or one felt squeegee. No, you're gonna need this hard plastic one, this soft plastic one, this long squeegee, these 2 little felt ones, the spray bottle. The spray bottle, all I did was put 3 drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid and water, shook it up, and there you go, but use a lot of water. Oh, plus I wanted to show you too how the tint comes. When it's pre-cut, it's gonna show up in this package right here, all right? And it looks like it was made in France. Fragile. If anybody knows what I'm referencing to right there, let me know in the comment section. So if you go to our Amazon store page, $15.95, right? Just for the 2 windows, I'm doing it. You can do it for all 4. They have that package too. You go over here and you personalize. Once you personalize, you put in what darkness you want. I did 20. And then year, make, and model, trim, doors, and they send it to you. Pre-cut with excess, it's 15. True cut, where they get the excess removed, extra $5. I'm telling you folks, it's the way to go. There, 100-mile-per-hour winds. I mean, if there's any hair or dust on there, it's gone. All right, let's tint. All right, stop fooling around. Now I got a little piece of tape right here, and when I pull this back, it's gonna pull the tint back, all right? And as I pull that back, I'm gonna spray the heck out of it with the water with a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid in it. I did clean this window a lot better than the other one, okay? Here's instructions that come with the tint, so keep that close by. I'm gonna hit this window with a whole bunch of water right now. And then I gotta let the window down some because you gotta get it up top, all right? So let me do that real quick. Where's my key? Woo! Where do we want it to? We're gonna go, we'll go right there. That sounds good. That looks good. We gotta wet this thing up, I'm telling you, because you want this real wet so when you put the tint on there, you can slide it around to move it. Let's come around here. I'm gonna pull this, actually, let me pull this back down and spray it while I'm pulling it down, so that way when I come up. You do not want this tint to touch itself without it being wet, because it will stick to itself and it will not unstick. It's like duct tape, all right? This is the scariest part. So we are going to pull this down. I got the tape. It would be good if I had somebody here to help, but you know how it is. Sometimes you just gotta do stuff by yourself. You know what I mean? Don't be afraid. All right, you're out in the wilderness all by yourself. Don't be scared of no animals. All right, here we go. All right, so the window, I'm gonna pull this tint down, not all the way off, because I don't want it to rub against the door. All right? See how I can move it around? Beautiful. That's what I want. Where's my stool? All right. Just go slow. Don't panic, go slow. And folks, again, remember, I'm not a window tinting guy, all right? I'm just an older guy trying to save $1. You hear me? I'm gonna give it a little even gap right there. Just go slow. I want to move this a little. All right, I got it there good. Got it here. I think it looks even. You want the top. Why I cut the bottom? Because I wanted to use the top. All right, let's do this. Now get the back side of the tint wet, and I'm gonna use my felt squeegee, all right? The felt one. We're gonna do this kind of easy. Now this is gonna give it some grip, so that way when you take the bottom part off, you can move it around. Or when you take the bottom off, this won't move around, excuse me. All right? Still pulling down on this. So scary, so scary. And again, this window, again, I cleaned this window a lot better than I cleaned the other one. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get right down to here. Because we're gonna have to put this window up. We gotta get this part up here done good so we can put the window back up to do the bottom part, all right? You get what I'm saying? All right, so let's do this. I think we're good. So now I'm pushing a little hard. Don't forget, this is wet, so it's slippery, and I got a felt squeegee right here. All right? Hey, and like I was saying, you know, if you mess this up bad, just keep going. Keep going like I did on the driver's side. There was air bubbles, there was some lines, there was some stuff I messed up. And I was like, you know what? I was almost gonna rip it off, like I said. But you know what? Just keep going, who cares? Put it up there. And if you mess up, leave it on there until you get the new stuff. You know what I mean? So you can remind yourself of your stupidity and how you went too fast and you were in too much of a rush because you wanted to take a cruise down the main drag in your neighborhood and be like, look at my new tint, everybody, yeah. $15.95 instead of $195. All right, so I'm about to put the window up. See these? You're gonna see these lines. I don't know if you can see all that. I'm about to put this window up because I feel like I'm getting this good enough, but let's be sure. Get it in there. Yeah. So far, this one's going a lot smoother than the driver's side, so far. And I did cut, like I said, I did cut an inch off the bottom and an inch off right there. And I don't care if it's not professional, it doesn't go right to the edge, like if you take it somewhere and you spend 200 bucks. You know what I mean? I got rain guards going on anyways, and they hang down like 4 inches, so you're not even gonna see it. You feel me? Huh? You know what I'm saying? Push that there. I want to get this one. Can I get this one? Yeah. Oh yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. You need the kit. This kit. 13 bucks for this kit. I'm telling you, you need it. Because that right there, I was like, what am I going to do right there? Okay, let's put this window up. Let's not be stupid and make sure that we do put the window up. Okay? Window's up. Now let's continue. I am going to lift this up, put some more water under here. Again, this water in Dawn, you can never use too much. All right, here's a real money shot where you take this bottom part off. Please, mama, please, tint gods. Go slow. I'm going to hold this because it's starting to pull a little. Please let this be good. Can I do something right for once in my life? We got a little bit of, see, careful. We got a little air bubbles. This is what I was talking about. This is what's going to happen. See, this keeps going back up. Don't worry about it. We got it. All right. Get rid of that. Now, folks, it's all about just keep squeegeeing. Not too hard. And you're gonna have some, I got air bubbles coming up, like air lines, like it looks like a whole, like a vein. It's literally going up. Don't worry about that. Just keep easily pushing it down. Because what happens is you push the water down, the water goes back under the tint and kind of goes up. We got it, we got it. Before I get this, oh man, I'm gonna open up a tint shop. I'm gonna start tinting windows for $35 a window. All right, listen up, fam. I am done, okay? This side came out a lot better. Now, like, I know you can't see how the other side came out and the small imperfections. There's tiny air bubbles when you look real close in tint, but do your research. That's normal. Sometimes when you see tiny, tiny little air bubbles, it doesn't mean that they're gonna stay. Sometimes they evaporate within 3 days to maybe 2 weeks, depending on how, if your car is in the sun. If you mess this up, the tint cut is $15. It has a little excess around the edges. If you get the excess removed by them, it's $20. It's worth it. For 20 bucks, give it a try. Just take your time, have the right tools, the kit that I told you about. You gotta have that kit, I'm telling you. And then just go slow. Watch a few videos on how to window tint. Just use a lot of water. It doesn't matter how much, and take your time.